Struggling to get more clicks on your content? These 3 psychological biases could be the secret sauce you're missing. First, the curiosity gap. When you give just enough information to spark interest, but not the whole story, people feel compelled to click. Second, the fear of missing out. FOMO. Use urgency or exclusivity to make your offer feel like a once-in-a-lifetime chance. Third, the authority bias. People are more likely to click if your content looks credible, so add social proof, stats, or expert references. These biases aren't tricks. They're proven human behaviors that smart marketers leverage every day. Start using them in your headlines, ad copy, and thumbnails for better results instantly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for free tools and tips to boost your conversions even more.